Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a Silnite Gray metallic. Underneath it is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has the appearance package with 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, espresso brown MB Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, three-way climate control, panorama sunroof, third row seating, GLS 450, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, trailer hitch, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down third row seating, driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic Plus, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, premium 1 package, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLS has 31,936 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.